Infiniti has finally given us a glimpse of the interior of the upcoming QX60 redesign. Also, we get a better idea when this thing will be available, and we know when it's going to be revealed as well. Over at the Infiniti newsroom, a glimpse of inner beauty. All new 2022 Infiniti QX60 makes global debut June 23rd. There you have it. Make sure to put in your calendar. I will be either live streaming it, have a video up, or both when this officially goes live. Now, this vehicle is so important for Infiniti. Not only is their best-selling model, but due to the chip shortage, they had to cancel the QX50 for a while so they could allocate chips for this upcoming QX60. And dealers haven't had a QX60, a new QX60 on their lot since I think the end of April. Now, they're expecting this to arrive in North American showrooms in the fall of 2021. So there's a potentiality here where dealers don't have a new QX60 to sell May, June, July, August, September, October, up to 6 months of their best-selling vehicle not available for purchase. Isn't that crazy? Hopefully when this thing comes, it comes like a knight in shining armor. It is their savior, and we need to break down the images and video that they gave us of the new interior. So here is the image, the still image that they gave us on the new interior. This looks like a 12-inch touchscreen. We still have a volume knob, dual climate control, and just look at this detail here on the dash. It looks like we have a dual level dash, which we'll see more detail in a little bit in the video, but we have wood here, and this wood kind of reminds me how it sticks out of the dash, similar to like the ES, the Lexus ES, how it has kind of like a dual level dash with the wood trim kind of showing its face here. That's what it reminds me of. I don't know if I've seen this sort of level of stitching on an Infiniti product on the dash before, this diamond plated stitching. Don't know if this will be leather or not. I doubt it. It's probably just some sort of polyurethane, but we do have additional stitching, and you can just see how clean the vents are hidden behind here. Now the video has more details for us if we stop it and we can kind of soak in what's going on. Okay, we have a vent up at the top. You can see the second level of dash has stitching on it. That's a nice touch. Better look and a closer up look of the wood. Big surprise, there's a vent here at the end, and they have a dial so you can control the flow of it. If you look closer over here, there's another dial for this vent as well. Gone is a traditional shifter. Now we have a shifting by wire pad. You can see the first cup holder right here. Let's play this a little bit further. More details come up. You can see the texture of the knobs, kind of like that diamond plated. It reminds me, since I was in weightlifting for a long time, of the knurling on a barbell. So that adds for grip. So if you guys really needed to have a good grip on your climate control and volume knobs, you have it. And there's a little touch right here at the bottom. You can see a start stop button. That's where it's going to be. Typically you see that by the steering wheel on the dash over here, but no, it's going to be down here by the shift by wire. The glove box is a normal glove box. It still has, it looks like a key lock on it, so that's pretty old school. Then we have the new Infiniti intro screen with that, what I'm guessing is a 12-inch screen. All new QX60 coming June 23rd. Now that's just the reveal. Again, availability is not going to be till this fall here in North America, but we have some more information that we want to go over, just kind of get us up to speed on this QX60. It should look very similar to the QX60 monograph, which was debuted sometime last year. It's a gorgeous looking vehicle. It looks very premium, almost looks like a Range Rover or Land Rover Velar in some ways. With that sloping roofline, I think it looks really, really good. Now in terms of powertrain, we're getting the 9-speed automatic that is going to be seen in the Pathfinder, and the same V6 found in the Pathfinder. So you're not going to get any luxury upgrades when it comes to the powertrain on here, but the big thing is CVT is gone, and in comes the 9-speed ZF transmission. The V6, the 3.5 liter V6 is good for 295 horsepower. When it comes to towing, if you want to tow with this bad boy, towing capacity is increased 20% with this V6, and it gives you 6,000 pounds on select grades. That's not too shabby. That's kind of impressive for me, at least. And you can think that 20% increase due to a real automatic transmission over the CVT. I'm sure that's mainly the large increase of towing capacity is due to the automatic transmission on this. And last update, it is going to have the latest ProPilot Assist technology. That is their safety suite. So that doesn't really come as a surprise. They'll probably have some features on it that we really haven't seen before. It just doesn't get me that excited talking about safety features. As we get closer to autonomy, I don't look forward to it in a lot of ways. What do you guys think of the new QX60? At least what they've shown of this interior. Do you like the brown? Do you like that diamond plated finish on top of the dash? Do you like the wood? Do you like the knobs? Do you like the new touchscreen? It's all a huge improvement over the outgoing QX60, which, gosh, it's what, over a decade old it feels like. It just feels like it's been around forever, and the interior is just so dated on it. It's definitely taken a huge leap into modern times, into the 21st century. If you are excited for the QX60, make sure to smash the like button and make sure you're subscribed, because June 23rd, I'll be giving you guys my impressions as the vehicle is finally unveiled. Man, it's been a long time coming. This vehicle is so important for Infiniti. Literally, their future depends on this vehicle, in my opinion. The dealers haven't had new product to sell for a long time. And right now this year, not only did they decrease in sales about 30% last year, which was way more than the average automaker, they're not going to have a QX60 to sell that's brand new, whether it's old generation or this new generation, for about 6 months. That's half the year. That is just really, really tough to get my head around. And even their QX50 has been put on hold to save chips for this QX60. Tough times indeed, but hopefully this QX60 is phenomenal. It can save it. No word on electric powertrains. On an e-Power, you would think that Infiniti, being the luxury brand of Nissan, it would get an e-Power setup sometime in the future with a VC turbo powering electric motors. But yeah, no word on it, and hopefully that it's a home run. I'll end it there. Thank you guys so much for your time. See you in the next video. Peace out.